today we're going to split that log using only wooden wedges. I've fashioned some wedges out of broken hoe handles. So then we're going to try to split the log down the grain just using a wedge, which is a pretty simple tool. And we'll see what happens. I've never tried one this long. It's probably, I don't know, 5 feet or so. We'll give it a shot, see what happens. I'm just going to score it with my parong, like this. I've scored it. I've kind of given it a path to go once I start wedging it. So then I'll start tapping these bad boys in. I'm going to come at a 45. You got this. This is straight flush. I'm going to come at it like this. Beautiful noise right there. Keep in mind, it's my first time trying this. I watched a couple videos. I think I got a pretty good idea what needs to happen. But yeah, I've never tried this before. So there you have it. We got it split, so we're going to take those, use them as runners to repair this bridge, because where the grass is coming out of it, it broke. So the tree had fallen right across the bridge. It didn't fall on it, but it broke for a different reason, because termites chewed it up. So over there, leaning against the rest of the tree that fell, so then we put the log that I split, and then I space them out this far just for stuff to flow through it, and then it gives your tires actually more grip. If they're closer together, it'll get slippery. So here you actually have a chance for your knobs of your tires to grab it. You're on this for a split second, and then you're off and down that way. So this is good and sturdy. it will pass.